What's up YouTube? My name's Quickie, welcome back to the channel. I'm taking a breather off this because this seat hump is doing my head in. The video for the first part of this is cooking, so you'll see that shortly. But I wanted to take a minute just to give a shout out to a mate and try and help him on his way. You're all familiar with Craig Jones by now, you must be. If you haven't been, then you haven't looked at YouTube and you're not into bikes. But the guy is, he lives up country and he's just gifted when it comes to bike building. He really is. I've been fortunate enough to be invited up there with Steve-O, and we spent the day with him just shooting the breeze and having a laugh and mucking about with bikes and stuff. And he's so talented at what he does. He takes these nasty, horrible Royal Enfields that come out of India, looking decidedly dodgy, and he turns them into the most beautiful bobbers. I mean, like, seriously nice bike. I'll put some pictures and stuff up so you can see what I mean. He's done a load of cafe races before, he's, you know, like BMWs and stuff. He's working on an ET 1100 turbo. And when it comes down to fabrication and just style and design and craftsmanship and all that other good stuff, I don't think you're going to find many people better than him. I really don't. And I've been grubbing about on YouTube for ages. So, but yeah, it's a shout out for him basically. He sort of came to fame when he joined the On Your Bike crew. He did that a couple of years ago, and since he's been on there, their channel's just gone mad. Absolutely potty. It's like 38,000 subs or something. And I believe it's just all down to the work that Craig does and the bikes that he produces, because they just, you can't describe how good they are. They really are sweet. But there's been a few shenanigans, to be fair. A few conversations have been had, and it's ended up as that Craig is now walking his own path. So him and his far better other half, Tracy, have set up their own channel. And this is for the DogHouse Customs side of stuff, and it's just called the DogHouse. I'm going to put a link up. There's also one in the description. But essentially, although he's been around on YouTube for, what, a couple of years now doing all this stuff, he's starting from ground zero. Literally. Brand new, fresh channel, no subs, very little views. I think he's got one video where he explains kind of what's gone on. So I'm not going to go into that and any of that detail. I'll let Craig do that. Because he's kind of in the thick of it and it's not my place. But what I am doing is just giving him a shout out and trying to make people aware that there's this new channel, the DogHouse, out there. And it's going to feature all of his work. So the bobbers, the ET Turbo, that he's got a Ural that he's going to chop and bobber and do all sorts of funky stuff to it. And basically that's where all his work's going to be. So if you like what Craig does and you want to keep following him, go check out the DogHouse. He's got a Teespring thing set up. My t-shirt's on the way, that's already ordered, so that'll be probably in part 2 of this, I would think. But if you can offer the guy some support, just watching his videos and subbing would be amazing. I'm sure he would appreciate it. He's a very humble fella as well, and when he says thank you, you know he means it. But go check him out. Hopefully a few other people will do a video similar to this, and we can try and drum up his subscription base and just help the fella on his way, because absolutely he deserves it. Anyway, all the best, Craig. Hope you're well. Give my love to Tracy. And hopefully we'll be up again before too long to see you and have another brew. All right, laters.